Hi everybody and welcome to a very exciting video where I'm going to show you some things that you would like to own. I know it already. It's a kind of unboxing video, if you like, except that I am not the person that these are intended for. You are. Yes. It's a giveaway. So I'll show you what's in here and what you can win. And you'll love them. I love them. I really do. And it's all beautifully wrapped. Oh, it's so pretty, pretty, pretty. And look, it's from Kay at the Paper Shed. Kay is the lady that I bought my glue stopper from. And I must admit, I bought a fairly, well, by Kay's standards, a fairly plain one. This is the one that I bought, which is perfect. I love it. I save it for the weekends. A little something for the weekends. But these are all donated by Kay for you to win in this giveaway that we are running, or just about to start to run. It will run from today, which is Friday the 13th of August 2021, until a week on Saturday, which will be the 21st of August. 2021, and we'll draw the names out live, on the Saturday live. So that's from today, the 13th, up until whatever date I said, 21st, the 21st of August, and it'll take the form of. I will put some polls in the Facebook group. Now, the Facebook group, for those of you not already on it, is called Junk Journals and Mini Albums. So you need to be on there to be in with a chance of winning these. It's free. It's fun. There's no catch to joining the Facebook group. The only thing is we ask you 3 questions when you apply to join, and if you don't answer them, your application will be refused. It'll be declined, I'm afraid. So just answer those 3 really easy peasy questions, and then you'll be into the Facebook group, the Junk Journals and Mini Albums group, and you can vote on our giveaway. It will take the form of polls. There'll be 4 questions and then poll answers, and you can click on which one you think is the correct answer. Now, if you vote more than once in any category and any of the questions, I'll just remove all your answers, because that's not fair. Somebody could come along and click on all of them, So just vote once, the one that you think is the correct answer. And then everybody who has clicked the right answer all their names will go into a hat, and there will be 2 winners per category. Okay, and just random, just what I happen to pick out, that will be what you'll get. I will post internationally. I'll post to Australia, I'll post to the US, Europe, wherever you are. I will get it to you. So good luck with that. But let's have a look with what we've got. So they're all beautifully packaged, as they always are from Kay. The Paper Shed, that's what you need to look up on Etsy, the Paper Shed. And go over there, go over to Etsy, have a look at what Kay's got in her shop and how generous she's been with these gifts. I mean, really generous. So here we have some journal charms that you can pop into your journals. Lots of danglies and beads. Pretty, I mean, they're just very pretty. And this is one of her new lines that she hasn't had out very long. It's a scissor charm. So with this big lobster claw on the end, you just clip that over the handle of your scissors if you're going to a crop, or if you're prone to losing your scissors either. But you click that onto the handle of your scissors, and there you have it. I mean, isn't that pretty? It's a lovely tree of life at the bottom and beautiful green beads and pearl beads up there. Lovely, really nice. And then there's more journal charms. Oh no, this here. Oh, I might have to try and just move that up so I can show you. This goes onto the spine of your journal, and it's beautiful. This is so shabby chic, it's gorgeous. I just love it. And I know you would love to have that on the side of a journal. It's beautiful. And here we have some more journal charms that you pop into your journals. This time it's more this sort of grenadine colour. Nice bead. Oh, it's just lovely. They're lovely, aren't they? And then we've got this one, which is another scissor fob. There's the big lobster claw that you put on the handle of your scissors, and it's nice and big, so you could get it. I could even get it on my Tim Holtz scissors, I'm sure. And it's got a tape measure there, lots of beads and things, and at the end it's got a pair of glasses, which I absolutely love. And maybe the idea is you clip this onto your glasses so you don't lose your glasses. But no, it's been made as a scissor charm. Up to you what you clip it to, of course. This is another charm that you put on the end, the spine of your journal. This one is, just look at it. It's so lovely. Just a mass of beads and charm. Oh, it's gorgeous. So yeah, that's that. It's beautiful. And this one, it's another journal charm. Kay, you have absolutely spoiled us. Thank you so much. Look at that one. Oh, I'm lost for words really with some of these. They're just so gorgeous. So there's the big clip that you clip onto a hole that you've made probably with an eyelet at the top of your spine, and then you just attach that. And then the recipient can unattach it if they want to and add this to anything. You could add it to your phone, anything at all. It's up to them, but it will make your journal look beautiful. Let's remove that. And there's more. You can't believe it, can you? So this is a glue topper. Look at that for a glue topper. I mean, look at the top of the pin. It's all bejewelled. And then these, with the treble clef on the end. The whole thing is absolutely gorgeous. Really is. And this glue topper here. Oh, this one's got an angel on it, look. Whoa, get up there. Oh, the top of it is sort of pearly. Beautiful. And then these 3 dangles. One's got a pearl in a shell, how cute. And this angel here. I mean, they're adorable. They're totally adorable. And this is a journal charm. Oh, this is in tealy colours, and it's just beautiful. There's a little turtle there. What's that? Can I see? I can't see. Looks like a sun. Yeah, I think it's a sun. A heart. Just beautiful. Really beautiful. All from Kay at the Paper Shed UK. So that's what you need to be looking up. Paper Shed UK. And just go over, have a look, see just how generous Kay is being with the things to give them to me in order for me to give them away to you. And as I say, all you have to do is pop onto our Facebook group, which is Junk Journals and Mini Albums. And there you will see 4 different polls. You can vote on each of the 4, but please don't vote on any one more than once, or I'll chop you off. I'll take you out, because that's just not fair. It's, and these 2, this one on the top, there we are. So what a beautiful act of generosity. So it's Paper Shed UK. That's what you need to look up. The lady's called Kay Fisher, and she is a member of our Facebook group. She also watches all our videos as well, which I'm really grateful for. So how about that? I told you would want whatever we were giving away. I told you, and now you do, don't you? So there you are. Definitely I will ship, internationally, wherever it is. So don't worry about that when you answer the polls. The main thing I would say to you once again is, please, for every poll, just answer once. If I see your name on 2 categories, I'll remove it, because it's not fair. Okay, so what are these categories you speak of? What are the questions? Well, the questions are: we have named Kitty. Kitty Cat actually finally has a name. So the first question is, what is Kitty's name? And I'll give you a list of alternatives. Whichever one you think it is, vote for that one. Okay? The second question is, how much does Kitty weigh? I mean, that's quite difficult really, isn't it? But he is a tiny, teeny little kitty. So, you know, just as a heads up, he doesn't weigh 30 stones or 300 pounds or anything like that. The next one is my favourite flower. What is my personal favourite flower? So there'll be a selection of flowers there. You just vote on the one that you think is my favourite. And the next one is, how many buttons do you think is in this little pot? Okay, so there you go. The answer is inside the lid. So when we open the lid, you will see the correct answer. But I'll put a selection of numbers on there, and you vote for the one that you think it is. Okay, it's that sort of size. Okay, right, so there we are. So there's 4 questions. Excuse me. What is Kitty's name? Because he does have one. What is Kitty's weight? What is my favourite flower? And how many buttons are there in this little pot? So I'll put as soon as this video goes up, I'll put the polls onto Facebook. So the Facebook group is Junk Journals and Mini Albums, and you really need to be a member of that to vote. You can't do it without. And as I say, when you go to the group, there's 3 questions that you have to answer. Please answer them or your application will be declined, I'm afraid. And then once you're in, you can vote. Only vote once per question. If I see that you've gone down all 4 or 6 or whatever there is and voted on those, I'll just disqualify you from it, because that's not fair. So there you go, guys. It would be really nice if you could like and subscribe to my channel. That would be excellent. Like this video, subscribe to my channel. That helps all of us. So I'll leave it at that, and then when this goes up, I'll put the polls up on Facebook. So thanks for watching. It's exciting, isn't it? Exciting times, people. That's what I'm telling you. Just the joy of these. Look at that. How nice would that look on your scissors? Look nice on mine. Okay. So they're all quality things, and they're up for grabs. So get cracking, get voting, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye.